What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. On Oxygen OS 11, as we all know that gallery application is not that optimized and we get to see lots of complaints regarding loading speed of photos in the gallery application. So today we have a new update for gallery application and that's for the beta testers. As I'm a part of beta testing of OnePlus gallery application, so I've received that update. First let me show you what all changes have been done in the latest gallery application. I've directly received it via Google Play Store, but if you guys are not into beta testing program, then you won't receive the update. But still, you can easily install this update on any of your device. I mean to say OnePlus device running Oxygen OS 11. I'll provide the download links in the description below. Just download and install the APK manually. We'll also show you installing the same application on OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 7 series. So as you can see here, this is the latest update of OnePlus Gallery and the app version is 4.0.227. If you take a look at the changelogs, it says optimizing the processing of loading photos. Second, they have fixed the video editor issue, and the third one, fixing app crashes. So I've already tested this on my OnePlus 9 and I personally felt slight improvements in the loading speed of photos. You might not see a huge difference, but yes, noticeable difference can be seen. So towards the right hand side, I have my OnePlus 8, which is currently running on Oxygen OS 11.0.7.7. If you are not a part of beta program, the gallery app version would be 4.0.180. But I have personally extracted this file from my OnePlus 9 and it's a simple APK. Just place it inside the internal storage of your device and the gallery app size would be close to 100 MB. Normally tap on the application and install it. So installing on OnePlus 8 running stable channel is not an issue. And here you can see I'm also using two different accounts on my OnePlus devices. I'll also show you on OnePlus 7 series. On that also I have different Google account. So it's not an issue installing this beta APK on any OnePlus device running Oxygen OS with different Google account. So once you install the APK, now the version of OnePlus Gallery have been changed, which is version 4.0.227, and that's the latest one. And let me clear all the applications from the background. And here you can see loading of photos is slightly faster if you compare it with the previous build. As I said, this is also an beta application, so don't expect instant loading of photos whenever you open the gallery application. But yes, improvements can be easily seen. And here I have my OnePlus 7 Pro, which is currently running on the latest beta of Oxygen OS, which is Oxygen OS Open Beta 5 based on Android 11. Here on this build version is version 4.0.189. And the same way you can install the Gallery APK on OnePlus 7 series. Here is the application which you can download from the description below. Tapping on install. And here also no issues in installing. An account in the Google Play Store is also different. Once you install the application, make sure to clear the caches and the data of the application. Once you do that, you'll for sure have slight difference in the loading speed of photos in the gallery. So as you can see here, there are no delays to be seen in the loading speed of photos in the gallery application. You guys can try out this application and let me know in the comment section below, does it improve the loading speed of photos or not. And after that, they have also done few improvements related to video editor. Also guys, make sure to download this expansion file after installing the gallery app. Just tapping on download will automatically download the expansion. If you guys do edit videos using your OnePlus devices, then do let me know what all issues you have been facing on the previous update of Gallery, because I never do editing using OnePlus Gallery application. So on this build, I don't find any kind of issues related to editing videos. So guys, this was a quick look on the latest update for OnePlus Gallery application. I hope this helps you improve the loading speed of photos in the gallery. If so, do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.